Today on Ridge Roamer, a walk around of the new Triumph Tiger Bond Edition. New Tiger 900 Bond Edition. It's based on the Tiger 900 Rally Pro. And then they've done some additional things like obviously the graphics here. You've got it on the front fender, on the side of the tank. Comes standard with the Aero exhaust. They went with the Anarchy Wild tires to give it a little bit more dirt-oriented look right off of the showroom floor. Got the blacked out skid plate and a lot of other blacked out features on it. Customized the seat here as well. So it's got the Bond Edition. Does come with the everything that the Rally Pro does, plus all these little extras here. Comes with the auxiliary lights and adjustable windshield, heated grips, Brembo brakes, cruise control. It is numbered, so right on the handlebar clamp. This one's number 80 out of 250. Love the tread on these tires. This is one of the tires I'm considering for my Tiger. I already have the Aero exhaust, which sounds awesome. Very limited, very hard to get your hands on these. This one does not belong to me. It's just here at the dealership, so took the opportunity to take a quick look. As of the recording of this, this one actually is available though at Triumph of Knoxville. So if you're looking for one, give them a call. Tell them I sent you. But by the time I post this, it may already be gone. So try to get it up as quickly as possible. Got the quick shifter and again, everything that the Rally Pro comes with. We'll go ahead and do a startup of this screen though, because that's kind of a unique feature as well. Pretty neat startup screen there. Go ahead and fire it up so you can hear the Aero exhaust. There you go, Tiger 900 Bond Edition. Beautiful bike. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.